how we build the hearts of power adapters. Our 3 SMT lines produce at least 6,000 high-precision PCBAs per day. Look, first, our laser stencils print solder paste onto PCB pads. Then our high-speed placement machines accurately placing components in just 0.03 seconds per piece. Next, our reflow oven, like a smart toaster, ensuring every single joint is perfect. As you can see, our professional inspectors guarantee 0 defects in each board. After that, our machine will add the jump wheels. Finally, our machine installs these large components. And there you have it, the complete PCBA board. From laser precision to strict inspection, we power the world reliably. If you need a customized power adapter, please feel free to contact us.